Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day today, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. I've got a package that came in yesterday and I'm not sure what it is. For the life of me, I have no clue. So what we're going to do is we're going to open it, and first I'm going to say thank you, thank you, thank you to all the channel members, and I'm going to say thank you to any of you who've come in to watch my knife and EDC content, and then welcome you, if you're so inclined, to hit that subscribe button down below and that bell notification icon. It really help me out. So what I'm going to do is take my little Amazon knife and I'm going to try to cut into it on the side here. I don't even think I cut it. I did, but not enough. Let's see what we got here. Two packs inside a pack, no notes. I have a sneaking idea I might know what this is. I know my blade sucks. No. Maybe I do know what this is. Let's see. Yes. Guys, this is something that has been put together and sent to me to check out from my brother, your brother, Saigon Kick. He is the inspiration for all of my magnet mods. Between him and JD for EDC, I've kind of learned the basics, but what I've learned is in all my mods that they were just that, the basics. So what Saigon has done is he has modded a couple of sets of scales, and he's letting me check out this pulsar. You know, I'd modded my pulsar, but he's using these K&J magnets, which I'm going to get some information on. And you can see, let me see if I can show you this. I had a power outage last night, so most of my flashlights are moved around. See that magnet right there and right back there? I know you can see those on those scales. Alright, so when I hit this pulsar, see how quick it closed? Let me grab my pulsar. Because I actually put magnets in mine, but my magnets are much different. They are smaller. They seem to sit farther back into the scale. And they do not have nearly the snap as Saigon's do. Yeah, huge. I am super stoked. I want to thank brother Saigon Kick. I'll get into this, and these are the magnets I'm going to be needing. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And I'll put this on a couple of Demcos. We'll see the difference. We can kind of compare them against the ones that I modded with the cheaper Amazon magnets. But guys, thank you for taking the time to check out my little unboxing here. And thank you, Saigon Kick, for being such an awesome dude, for not only watching my video, but giving me some pointers, and then sending me out some hands-on, this is the best way to do it, buddy type stuff. I appreciate it more than you know. I love you, buddy, and I love each and every one of you. Thank you for stopping by. If you've made it this long, what I'll always ask you is please look out for that guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.